Magic of Math here, and today we're talking the Pythagorean Theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared when you have a right triangle. Here's our math problem today. A ladder is placed against the outside wall of a building as shown in the diagram. Create an equation to show the relationship between the height of the building, the length of the ladder, and the distance between the building and the bottom of the ladder. You're going to drag and drop a number into each box to complete the equation, and each of these numbers may be used once or not at all. And you have 5 numbers to pick from to complete this equation. So of course you can't drag and drop on your video, but you can write it down on a piece of paper. Go ahead and pause and come back when you're done. Welcome back. So we're going to write an equation using this model to show the relationship between the height of the building, which is right here labeled, the length of the ladder, which is right here 12 feet, and the distance between the building and the bottom of the ladder, 7.2 feet right here. That's the information that we're given. We know that we have a right triangle formed by those 3 sides, those 3 lengths. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find that missing height when we have a right triangle, which is states a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b are the legs of the triangle that form that right angle. And c is what we call the hypotenuse, which is directly across from the right angle, and it's always the longest side of your right triangle, and that is c in the Pythagorean theorem. So now we can replace these values with the measurements from our diagram. So we don't know a, that's our height, noting that a and b are interchangeable. So we could switch them around. This could be b and this could be a. But c always has to be the side that is across from the right angle. So we're going to do a squared, and our b squared is 7.2 squared, and that's going to equal our hypotenuse side c, 12 squared, which we got right here, our ladder leaning. So we're going to go over here, and we can now determine that we are going to put 7.2, because we're using them once, 7.2 squared would be part of our equation, and we can see 12 would go over here for our hypotenuse. So we have 3 choices left for this last box. Now we know since the hypotenuse has to be the longest side that we can eliminate 15.4, but we still have 2 values left to fit in here for that last leg, the side A, which is our height that we don't know. So we're going to have to go solve our equation. So we're going to first square our number value. 7.2 squared, or 7.2 times 7.2, is going to be 51.84. And then 12 squared, or 12 times 12, is 144. We want to solve for a squared, so we're going to do the inverse of add 51.84 and subtract 51.84 from each side. That leaves us the 0 pair, so just a squared equal to 144 subtract 51.84 gives you 92 and 16/100ths. Now the inverse of a squared is to find the square root. So if we take the square root of each side of this equation, using your calculator, 92.16, then square root, a is going to equal 9.6. So 9.6 times 9.6 will give you 92.16. So that means that this value right here, that missing height, is 9.6, that value, and you could put it in here. Now noting that this is the equation that we were asked to create using these number values, if you wrote 7.2 squared plus 9.6 squared equals 12 squared, that would also be correct. Remember, when you add, you can reverse the order. So thank you for joining me today to talk about the Pythagorean theorem using finding any missing side length when you have a right triangle, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And that's the magic of math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. I hope you'll come back soon, and I hope you have a great day.